Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy AI tools with HP beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin deploying AI tools with HP, ensure you have a compatible HP device ready. Start by checking your device specifications to confirm it meets the minimum requirements for the AI software you plan to use. Next, visit the official HP website to access the latest software and drivers specific to AI tools. Download the AI tool software that suits your needs. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Make sure to read all instructions carefully during the installation. After installation, restart your HP device to ensure all updates take effect. Once your device is back up, locate the newly installed AI tool in your applications. Open the AI tool to begin the setup process. Take time to familiarize yourself with the user interface and available features. Review any tutorials or documentation provided with the software for a better understanding. Now, adjust the tool settings according to your specific needs and preferences. In the Settings menu, configure connectivity options to integrate with other applications if needed. Test the AI tool by running a basic function to ensure it operates correctly. If you encounter any issues, consult the troubleshooting section in the documentation. Once everything is running smoothly, you can begin exploring more advanced features. Regularly check for software updates to ensure your AI tool stays current and functional. Implement your AI tools into your daily workflow to maximize productivity. Continue to learn and adapt as new features become available over time. With patience and practice, you will effectively harness the power of AI tools on your HP device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.